Wonderful was that he'd say, you know what, I'm going to stand out here. I'm just going to stand out.
I lost my thing, man.
It was beautiful to have that kind of attitude and honesty. The next day we were doing Going Back, which was pretty open and required. Da, da, dum, dum, da. Well, he did it in one take. And I just looked at him, I said, man, you know, you just nailed that. Yeah, sound good, you know. I didn't actually know if I could play anymore. First time playing since my problem. We just did a trial session here one day, and first thing I hit, a stick flew out of my hand because I lost all strength in my left hand. I had to gaffer the stick to my hand. So I had this Dr. Strangelove kind of thing, where I'd be walking around with a with a stick taped to my hand. I love this way of recording. We did 9 songs eventually, and then we did the rest of them. And I think the angst had gone a bit, and I was able to play for a bit longer. It's page 1 of the drum fill book. I just don't know why I don't know it. So I've had the operations now. I had one on my neck and one on my elbow and one on my palm. And still I can't feel a fucking thing. But they tell me in time it'll get better.
Ότι υπάρχει κάποιος άλλος ιδιαίτερος λόγος που μπορεί ο Phil Collins να θέλησε να βγάλει το καινούργιο του άλμπουμ.
Λες, τι, χρωστάει τις Μιχαλούς.
Για τους 3 γάμους που έχει μέχρι στιγμής ο 60χρονος τραγουδιστής, έχει πληρώσει 50 εκατομμύρια ευρώ.
Α, μόνο,
Ναι.
Εντάξει, δεν είναι και πολλά για εκείνο.
3 γάμοι, 3 διαζύγια.
Δεν είναι και πολλά. Υπάρχουν και χειρότερα.
Υπάρχουν και χειρότερα, αλλά δεν είναι και ένα εύκολο ποσό.
Ναι.
Και παρότι ο ίδιος διατηρεί μια σχέση, σταθερή σχέση εδώ και αρκετά χρόνια με την Αμερικανίδα παρουσιάστρια ειδήσεων Ντάνα Τάιλερ,
Μια χαρά, θα έλεγα.
παρόλα αυτά δεν θέλει να παντρευτεί.
Καλά κάνει άνθρωπος μετά από 3 γάμους, εντάξει. Έχω κουραστεί που το ακούω κιόλας, δηλαδή εντάξει, φτάνει. Μάλιστα. Αυτά. Πάμε στο DVD.
Και πάμε στο DVD
που έχουμε να προτείνουμε. Θα δείτε το τρέιλερ της ταινίας που σας προτείνουμε και επιστροφή εδώ για το δεύτερο μέρος της συνέντευξης.
I must have been 11 or thereabouts when I learned that I was nearer to the crown than I had thought. And I knew then why I must trace a path ordained by others.
Her Royal Highness Princess Victoria of Kent.
From now on, everyone will push you and pull you for their own advantage.
You're too young. You've no experience.
Get out of my way.
Should you ever need an ally, you have one in me.
Albert!
Prime Minister, Lord Melbourne, will make her fall in love with him.
You're the next piece in the game.
I'll go to England and make her smile.
Do you ever feel like a chess piece yourself?
You had better master the game until you play it better than they can.
You don't recommend I find a husband to play it for me?
I should find one to play it with you, not for you.
I am queen. I can't marry the man they want me to marry.
You are confusing stubbornness with strength, my dear.
My dearest Albert, it seems I have a lot to learn. With all my duties, it would make me happier than anything if you would agree to what I wish.
And marry you.
and marry me. We will take care of each other, won't we? Why did you do it?
You are the only wife I ever will have. You are my whole existence. And I will love you until my last breath.